So a laptop has a cash price of 2,888. A buyer can purchase it by making 15% deposit, followed by 12 equal monthly installment of $250. So calculate the higher purchase price. So before I talk about this, let me talk about this higher purchase thing. So this higher purchase is like for convenience lah. Some people maybe say at one go I have to buy a lot of stuff, right? And then after that you may not have all the cash for every items. So sometimes they give you this facility that you can pay by installment. Okay, but of course if that usually it will have interest involved. Okay, sometimes don't have lah. I mean in real life some of the facilities they do not charge you any interest. Okay, but of course in math exam they have to calculate the interest. So yes, okay, so like in this case, if you have the cash you pay 288 net. But if let's say, oh, I want to have some flexibility, I want to pay in this situation 12 equal monthly installment of 250. So how much is it? So it's like, oh, 12 months of $250. Okay, and but I already paid the 15% deposit, so 15% of 2,888. Okay, so let me 12 times 250. This part is 3,000. And then the 15% will be 433.20 cents. Okay, and that will give us 3433.20 cents. Okay, so that will be the higher purchase price, which is, you see, if you compare to this one, is higher. The additional the amount that exceed the 2,888, these are the, it's called the interest. It's called the interest. Okay, B, calculate the percentage interest per annum on the outstanding balance under the higher purchase scheme. Okay, so what we're going to do is, let's find out what is the amount that exceed, right? So 3433.20 cents, you go and minus away this 2,888. Okay, so take this minus 2,888, I get 545.20 cents. So this is the interest, but they want the interest rate. So you will take the interest, okay, over the outstanding balance only. Don't go and over the 2,888. So what is the outstanding balance? So outstanding balance is because you already pay 15%, so you only still own 85%. So this outstanding balance is 85% multiplied by 2,888. Okay, so this one a little bit tricky because you need to go and find the outstanding balance. So 85% times 2,888. So it's actually 2,454.80 cents. So the denominator is based on this one. It's like you pay the interest $545.20, and it's based on this 2,454.80 cents to calculate the interest. So that's why the reference, the denominator, is this amount. Then you multiply it by 100. And in this situation, I also don't have to divide by how many years. Why? Because they say it's 12 equal money installment. 12 means it's just 1 year. Okay, so if it's more year, then you got to divide by like how many years lah. In this case, it's only 1 year, so I don't have to do anything. So just take 545.20 cents out of 2,454.80 cents, multiply by 100. So it is 22.209. Wow, 这个是打劫啊. This is a very high interest. So sometimes you all don't want like, convenient, but you also need to do a little bit math. Then if it's 22.2%, it's really not worth it lah, not worth it.